So I don't want to go over the UI now because a lot of things are done with shortkeys in Blender, which is like so much easier to remember once you get used to it. So we're first of all going over the viewport controls and mixing it with a little bit of shortcuts. If you're not sure what I pressed, you can see it at the bottom left what I'm pressing. So the viewport controls. Scrolling is zooming in and out. Holding shift and middle mouse button is panning around. You can also hold control and middle mouse button to zoom in and out. And only middle mouse button is rotating around. If we now press shift A, we can create an object. It doesn't matter which one you create for now, just create one. Under key map, I had right click for selecting, meaning I can select and unselect with right click. Let's select it. And on your numpad, next to the 0, right side of the 0, for everyone it's a little bit different depending on which country you're in, you can zoom in on this object. For me it's delete or comma. Numpad right button of the 0. With that you can now rotate around, you can pan around, you can zoom around. And whenever your camera is behaving weirdly, you can press the button again and zoom in on it again and reset the camera. I will also write the shortkeys I used in the description.